Hey y'all, Dylan Smith here, Huffman Honda in Frankfort. Just here to show you this 2024 Honda CR-V. This one is our radiant red metallic. Has the black rims here, as you can see. You can see the parking sensors on the front. You also got those in the back. We'll walk around it with me. You can see the roof rails here. This vehicle does have the automatic tailgate. The second row chairs, they lay down flat to give you extra cargo room. So you got to put a nice flat screen TV in there or a piece of plywood, anything like that. You can hit the button there. You actually don't need your hands to open the tailgate. As long as you got the key fob, you can just kick your foot underneath of it. It'll open the tailgate for you. Say your hands are full, you got grocery bags in them, anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and close that. You can see the parking sensors on the back as well. Backup camera, of course. Y'all follow me over here. I'm gonna jump inside. You do have your remote start from the key fob. You just hit the lock button twice. Hold this circle button here. Give it a little bit. This one's a hybrid, so you might not have been able to hear it, but it is started up. I'm gonna go ahead and jump inside. Has the beautiful black leather seats with orange stitching. This one's gonna have all the features you can speak of, excuse me. You got your dual climate control, heated seats, lane and road departure, blind spot, all the great safety features to keep you safe while you're driving. A great family vehicle, really good gas mileage. Thanks for taking the time to watch this and allow me to present this vehicle to you. I love working here at Huffman Honda. We are a family-owned business since 1969. We love taking care of our people. And if you're watching this, I hope one day I have the pleasure of selling you a vehicle. Take care.